How to fix Wild Rift login timed out error. Here are some tips that would help you fix Wild Rift login timed out error. 1. Ensure that your internet connection is working correctly and fast enough. If not, Google and try some online tips refix slow internet connection that work for your device, like restarting your Wi-Fi router, if any. FYI, the usage a VPN or proxy to register an ID is officially not allowed to access the OpenLOL, Wild Rift beta testing. 2. Restart the LOL game client. 3. Try playing Wild Rift in a different, supported, region which has been included the beta testing list. 4. Contact Riot Games support, when will the open beta testing started for your own, unsupported, region.